Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect hot chocolate. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. For the liquid, have 1 cup of milk ready, and don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, grab a small saucepan, a whisk, and your favorite mug. Now that you have your ingredients, let's start by combining the dry ones. In your small saucepan, measure out 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. You can always adjust this amount later to suit your taste. Finally, stir in just a tiny pinch of salt. This small addition truly helps to bring out the rich chocolate flavor. With your dry ingredients well combined, it's time to introduce the liquid. Slowly pour in 1 cup of milk while continuously whisking. This gradual addition and constant stirring are key to preventing any lumps, ensuring a perfectly smooth hot chocolate. Place the saucepan over medium heat, continuing to stir until the mixture is hot and steaming. Remember, do not let it boil. A gentle simmer is all you need. Once your hot chocolate is wonderfully warm, remove it from the heat. Now for the final touch. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This really elevates the flavor profile. Immediately pour your delicious, steaming hot chocolate into your favorite mugs. For an extra special treat, consider garnishing with a dollop of whipped cream, a handful of fluffy marshmallows, or a light dusting of cocoa powder. Enjoy your perfect homemade hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.